was an ongoing thing.
Yeah, but I was going through a phase.
That's why I didn't sound excited.
Hi guys, so yeah, I know I look sweaty. I look like a hot mess, but I just got back home. It is Friday, and yeah. So guys, I have been MIA for quite some time, but I have been dealing with some stuff, but I'm back and I'm good. So I didn't get anything to eat today at lunch, so I got myself some juicy beef. Oops. So I got juicy beef, and I got myself some orange juice. So I'm gonna have this, and then I have to clean and wash, and it's like after 3, almost 4. So yeah. Plus we have excitements tomorrow. We are not gonna be here tomorrow, and you guys will see that. So yeah.
Let's dive in.
Ooh, this looks tasty though. This looks nice. Let's go. So mom, what you doing?
I'm just trying to make stuff.
What you making?
Stuff.
What
Did
are
I
the
not
stuff
say
called,
stuff?
mom?
I got flower pots. I've got dustbin. I've got a vase. And this is a napkin holder.
And what are they made from?
It's cassava, you know?
Cassava. Cool.
Are you take up the clothes then?
Just finished my laundry. Hello guys. So we're now in Oshi, and we're trying to find graduation shoes. So yeah. No sir. Go underneath.
You know, video. I'm plan for booking a video.
Hi Drew.
Bye.
How you doing?
Good.
You're fine?
Yeah.
That's lovely to know.
No.
How was the beach?
Burnt.
You burnt?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Jesus Christ. I'm sorry.
Does anybody want a wife? I'm single.
I got no keys.
I got no kids. Your mama gonna love me. Trust me. I'm funny. My edges, look. No frontal, edges. It's dirty.
Jan, no star. Come here.
What on there? What on there?
Fishies.
Hi. Alright, bye. Hi! I'm sorry, I did not see you. Yeah, say hi to the vlog. It was saying it.
Oh my god, that's a ring shop. But
Yes.
that husband know me size it.
No, you know your size, so you need fee.
Me not finance it. Hold on.
Work again.
Rich money, oh my god.
She not have to work.
That's why I'm wanting to turn this way.
Come. Watch out, everybody watch me train you. You want to take the one?
I can feel later.
Yeah. It's a perfect. Let me one get one. Come, hold this. Give me one.
I'll pick up this one.
Does anybody want a wife?
No.
Big man, come my mom, you single.
That's who I'm blessed.
They need to take no picture for the name one. What kind of drink do you think it is? There's a video I like to come case, another one. Let's go.
Vlog it, you know. Now, could somebody please take me?
Can we can't get one piece of Nash, we can't get one piece of your food.
Let me go.
No, let's stand there. Cool, you know.
Alright then. They feel like on the camera.
We don't can't go on. We are coming.
Fishing the fish.
Yes, I do. Don't you so? Hi guys, so we just got back from Margaritaville. We went to the beach, went to Margaritaville to take some pictures and stuff, and now we are gonna be going to a the center like to eat. Hello, girls. Inside. The bus drive already. Wanna get in at the bus. Hi guys. What's the angle? Hey guys. So yeah, I'm blue. Why am I blue? Oh yeah, there we go. I'm still blue. Ooh. Hey guys. So I'm blue because of my curtains right now. But I'm lying down. I'm tired. So tired, and it is hot. So yeah.
I'm not.
Uncle.
I don't want to text you anymore.
Hi guys. Hey guys. So it is Sunday afternoon. Man, this bump needs to go. But anyways, we are here in my room, and just look at what this is like. So you got mom over there getting her feet done. Her feet was just done. And Shay, hi Shay,
Hi.
is B with the nail clipper. And Miss Shanique over here, this is my job. This is what I'm stuck with. Hi guys, so as you guys can see from the title, what's gonna be done. So I'm getting my hair relaxed. So this is kind of the last time, or today is the last day I'm gonna be having natural hair. So excitement. How do you take down a wrap again? How do you take down a wrap?
I'm here.
Me say, how do you take down a wrap?
I'm gonna have to. This is what I live for with my roommate.
Really?
Yes, she's ever rapping here. Me tell her I know for rap here, cause of she used to love people in her hair.
Cover this one, that's all. I want to say tall, you know tall.
It's tall.
So guys, yes, that is it. I got a little length and stuff, so yeah, my hair is relaxed. I look weird, but I like it. Tomorrow I'm gonna style it for graduation, so you guys will see that. So yeah. So guys, so a lot of persons are asking me why I, relaxed my hair. So yeah, I relaxed my hair because, let's get real guys, let's stop faking this. Like, natural hair is very hard to take care of. I always comb my natural hair for myself because I have migraine, plus I have a sink in my head, and whenever my hair is too tight, it causes me really terrible headaches for days or whatever. So I just said to myself that I just wanted to change, try something new, and I did, and I like it. It's just been like not even, well, a day or so already, and I love it. So I don't know, I'm hoping that my hair will grow, because after what happened to me at college, I tried to flat iron my hair and it damaged it. So I had this very coarse hair that just felt weird. So right now, feeling my hair so soft, it feels good in my hand. So far, no regrets. I'm loving it so far. So yeah. But guys, I do need a face face routine. So comment down below, what is your face routine? What products work for you? What are your recommendations to get rid of these spots and this bump here? I don't know, but I need my face to be clear, but nothing has worked yet. All I do right now, I am using a face wash, a face foam thingy. I don't even know what it's called, but yeah, I'm using that. So anyways, so we have graduation tomorrow, and then the rest of the days are tests, and I have a week and 2 days left at school. So after that we have holiday. I will be going to a hotel, so you guys will be getting that vlog. So fun times. And I also want to do something else to myself. You guys may be seeing that very soon if I don't back out of it. So yeah, these vlogs I want to get better and more fun, more interactive. I want to talk to you guys, tell you guys what's happening in my life, because I want this to be you know, something that I can go back and look at, you know, down the road, see what I did when, and you know, how I handled stuff, and you know, stuff like that. So yes, so I am at graduation right now. Hi. Me too. Say get none? Anyways, I'm at graduation right now. Not inside of the graduation, but I'm outside. But yeah, I'm just gonna make, as you guys will see, I'm gonna make this like a weekend into the week vlog. So yeah.